Hey everyone, you've seen how to buff paint, but today we're going to try something different and buff some life back into this convertible top window. Convertible soft tops typically have a life expectancy of about 10 years. Aside from tearing, one of the things that usually fails with age and use is visibility through the plastic windows. To combat that, we're going to take our Concours compound and polish and buff the haze out of it. We grab the buffer with a 3-inch pad and apply step 1 and 5 dots across it. To avoid dry spots and potential burning of the window, we spread the compound evenly with our fingertips. Next, with the buffer on a medium setting, we use 3. We start working the compound into the window in horizontal, then vertical passes. Make sure to keep the pad surface damp through the whole process. The worst area on this window is where the top folds onto itself, so we add a bit more compound and make a few extra passes targeting this spot. After working the entire window, we wipe it off with a dedicated microfiber and move on to step 2, the finishing polish, using the same technique. The cutting compound is your initial cut to aggressively attack scratches and remove surface contamination, just like on paint. But while it makes everything uniform, it still leaves the window short on luster. The finishing polish will bring everything back up to a shiny finish, or in our case, a clear, non-hazy window. With the second step now done, we once again wipe with a dedicated microfiber and see the results. Depending on the condition of your window, this process may not take it back to looking completely new. But in this case, it did make a huge difference reducing headlight glare when driving at night. And we can now see into the interior through the window, where we couldn't before. Now normally we'd mask off and protect the canvas top before polishing, but this top is actually on its way out with a new one already on the way. So we weren't too worried about getting compound on it. But if, like us, you happen to get some on your top, don't sweat it too much. Because this system is water-based, it'll clean right up with a brush and some water to get it looking like new again. To learn more about our compounds or to check out our full line of car care products, head over to eastwood.com.